Okay, so this is part two of our DC jack repair that we know probably isn't going to work, but because I went to college at a good school, I learned something called the scientific method, which means we have to test our hypothesis that by replacing the DC jack as requested and actually demanded by the customer is not going to actually fix the computer. So first we're going to push the end into the new DC jack. It's very tight, so it's a brand new jack. It doesn't wiggle around at all. And we're going to set our voltage to the 19 volts that would come from the Dell charger. And we're going to change our current to about, I think it was like a 2 amp charge. Well, that'll be enough. So we're going to hit go. And we're going to see that we're not getting, I don't know if this one has a light or not, but I'm not getting any. I know that it would have a light here that might turn on when it's charging. It definitely will turn on when we push the power button. So I'm going to go ahead and push the power button. Power button depresses correctly. I'm getting no lights. I'm getting no sounds, no fan spinning. And we're also getting no current being drawn from our bench power supply. So we can pretty much tell that our hypothesis was proven that if we replace the DC jack after testing the electrical components, knowing that they don't work, isn't going to make the computer work. So just for giggles, let's go ahead and let's test the jack that we took out of the computer to replace, which by the way is too long for this computer. It was bundled up in there pretty good. So I mean, I know that when we fix computers sometimes we use parts, but this DC jack is not actually for this computer. Alright, so now let's go ahead and let's shut off the output. Let's unplug and let's swap these guys out real quick. And then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to take my probes and I'm going to probe where the minus goes to the charger. And I'm trying to hold this in one hand to show you now. So as you can see, now I have it going there and I have my voltmeter set up. Let's go ahead and activate it. And I can see now that power is actually flowing through this jack into my probes and into this voltmeter at approximately the right voltage. So I guess science is important. It's too bad we had to test the whole thing put back together before we told the customer. Well, we already told the customer the board needed to be replaced, but sometimes you have to do what the customer tells you to do so you can take their money, because they're willing to pay you to do the whole job even though you've told them that it's not going to fix their problem. Well, thank you very much. Whatever you do, be nice to your technicians. They work hard. They're the bearer of bad news quite often, and we certainly don't deserve to get yelled at. Thank you. Bye.